Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make dulce de leche marshmallows. You're going to need a can of sweetened condensed milk and remove the label and fully submerge the can in a big pot of water. You need to cook it over gently boiling water for about 3 hours, making sure to check on it regularly and top up with water so that the can does not burst. And once it is cooked, you're going to want to cool it at room temperature and then store it in the fridge overnight to ensure that you have a fully set caramel, and it should look a little something like this. To make the marshmallows, you are going to need glucose syrup. You can find it in the baking aisle of your supermarket, or you can make it yourself at home, which is what I prefer to do. I'm going to put the link to the video on how to make glucose syrup at home in the description box below. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.